The entire cryptocurrency market is currently in a bloodbath. A lot of people are disappointed and angry right now. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Jasmy price update real quick, and not to forget the Jasmy liquidation heat map on the 24-hour time frame. If you're paying attention, Jasmycoin is down minus 5% in the last 24 hours. We are now down to $592 million in market cap. Last week, we were down minus 18%. Geez, the market is really taking a very big hit. As you can see over here, fluid is down minus 23, AVNT is down minus 12%. Like, a lot of altcoin are like dropping aggressively. If you're paying attention to Jasmycoin, we are currently trading around 0.012, left with 10 hours and 3 minutes until this current daily candle closes. Now, we've tapped into a very significant level. You understand? This is an obvious order block zone. You get, so as long as Jasmy price remains above the 0.01157 zone, I will still remain bullish for Jasmycoin. Now, even if we are to maybe dip sharply below this price level, then it should just be maybe to fill this week, either 50% fill or 100% fill of the week before we get a reversal to the upside. That's what I expect to happen for Jasmycoin. We are also going to briefly talk about, let's even talk about the orders against the BTC chart. This is the orders chart / BTC pair on the monthly time frame. It is still indicating that we are going to get an altcoin season. The last time that happened in 2021 market cycle, we had a massive run to the upside, altcoin season. Now we've gotten the bounce from that same trend line, which is in this 2025. Indicating that we are about to get a parabolic move to the upside. If you're paying attention to the MACD indicator as well, by the way, my name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, you're welcome. If you're here to like my video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button. For those here to subscribe to my channel before leaving, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Thank you. If you're paying attention to the orders against the BTC pair MACD indicator on the monthly time frame, the MACD line is about to cross the signal line to the upside, and the moment that is happening is going to trigger a bullish rally, because the last time that happened here, we rallied hard aggressively to the upside in the last market cycle 2021. Now, the moment both the MACD line and the signal line is crossing above the zero line and also the histogram, and the moment we are seeing a green histogram just like we did in 2021, 2020, 2021, the moment we are seeing a green histogram being printed over here above the zero line, it is going to mark a new shift in altcoin market, and I think that is going to happen in this Q4 2025. You're paying attention to the Jasmy liquidation heat map on the 24-hour time frame. You will notice we have more liquidity to the upside down to the downside. I think the only place we have liquidity on the downside for Jasmycoin is around 0.01199. We have over $25,000 worth of liquidity there on Bybit. You get, so the area we should be watching at, from the look of things, I think we might consolidate between the price of I'm talking about where we have liquidity for Jasmy between 0.0132, which we have over $30,000 worth of liquidity there, and also expect Jasmy to tap into the 0.0127 zone. We have over $26,000 there, and also 0.0125. We have over $27,000 there as well for Jasmycoin. So from the look of things, indications are pointing towards the upside for Jasmy price. That is, if we are to get a final leg down, it is just going to be to fill this week right here, you understand, before the leg up to the upside, because we are clearly in an order block zone right here. The altcoin season is still coming. If you're paying attention to the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, the last time the BTC dominance dumped aggressively in 2017, we had a massive run to the upside for altcoins. The last time same thing happened in 2021, altcoin rallied aggressively. That is to say, we are surely going to get a light at the end of the tunnel. We are almost at the finish line. Like, seriously, I think this market cycle is left with less than 4% to come to an end. We are about to approach into the mania phase, the euphoria phase. Now, the moment you start seeing an aggressive dump on the BTC dominance, just know that I think the next aggressive dump is going to usher us into a massive altcoin season. The BTC dominance is currently trading around 58.95%. We are left with 5 days and 10 hours until this monthly candle closes. My target for the BTC dominance for this market cycle still remains the same. The moment the BTC dominance is losing the 55% level, is going to, like altcoins, are going to begin to rally parabolically to the upside. And the moment the BTC dominance is tapping into the 44%, 42% zone, I'm going to begin to scale out massively from my altcoin position. The dump is coming for the BTC dominance, which is going to trigger a massive rally on altcoin season. If you're paying attention to the MACD indicator for the BTC dominance, you will notice we just printed 2 bearish histograms, and the MACD line just crossed below the signal line, which is indicating the BTC dominance is about to dump. This is not a time to panic sell at all. There's a lot of panic going on in the market. The market is dumping. People are scared. But one thing is certain, we are almost at the finish line. Ethereum has retraced massively, and we are now currently below $4,000. We are currently trading around $3,975 on the weekly time frame for Ethereum. Now, from the look of things, Ethereum just tapped into this breaker block right here. That is, sooner or later, we should begin to expect a reversal from the current price Ethereum is trading on the weekly time frame. And if you're comparing this Ethereum chart to the others chart, we've talked about this chart countless times, but a lot has changed since our last video. We just lost the resistance, previous resistance. We closed just one bullish candle above, which was around $305 billion. We are now currently trading around $294 billion for the others chart. This is the others chart excluding the top 10 cryptocurrency in the crypto space. Now, I just think the others chart is lagging behind. Sooner or later, we are going to rally into a crazy altcoin season, just like Ethereum did a couple of weeks ago. It took a lot of people by surprise. So since the others chart and the Ethereum chart is looking very, very identical, then I think we are going to get a breakout for others chart, which is the entire cryptocurrency market cap, excluding the top 10 to top 15 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. You guys should watch out. BTC has dumped aggressively as well. We are currently trading below $112,000. The current price of BTC, I think it now dipped into the $110,000. Or yeah, we briefly dipped into $110,629. That is, we finally lost this support zone, which was previously acting as a resistance. Now, from the look of things, if BTC closes this daily candle below here, then if care is not taken, we should begin to expect $109,000 for BTC to fill this week, because there's a week there. So I'm expecting $109,000 for BTC if we close this candle bearishly below this line. I think from the look of things now, we are likely to experience a resistance around these zones for Jasmycoin. Now, like we checked on the liquidation heat map for Jasmycoin, we have liquidity around 0.032 and over $30,000 worth of liquidity there. So from the look of things, the 0.032 zone all the way to 0.014 zone is going to act as a resistance now for Jasmycoin. That is, the upside scenario for Jasmycoin would be for us to rally to the upside, flip this zone into a support. The moment you see Jasmy rally and then flip this zone into a support, then we should begin to expect further price move to the upside, flip this zone into a support, and then take out this 2 cent. The 2 cent area is the most significant area I'm much more interested in for Jasmycoin. We need to take out the 2 cent area, flip it into a support before we can start welcoming a massive parabolic run for Jasmycoin. If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button. Peace out.